Men forget about money and do this instead. You know, majority of men, they think that what can harm us, what can make us happy, it is when a man has money, when a man is giving me money. I am telling you, what I'm going to discuss with you, it will prove you wrong 100%. There are things, if you don't have and you have money, we shall still leave you and go and sleep with another man to satisfy us. So have both at the same time. But this one that I'm going to be sharing with you, it is more far than money. Our point number one, knocking the woman the right way. Women, if there is somebody who has been lying to people that a man give her money, and in the other room you are just sleeping on low, you are sleeping on low, you are not even on layer. You guys getting the point? When we are talking about knocking a woman the right way, go and watch my other videos. You must identify the type of this woman is having. You must know all the techniques, ways. What are you supposed to do? Are you guys getting the point? You must know all these things, techniques, what to do, what to use. All these things, you must know them. Now for you, you are just there. You think you are going to be, every time I talk, maybe I complain about baby, you are not, you give me money. Watch out, money is here. I am telling you, the relationship might not work for the both of us. Me, as Jane Model, I like that so much. Not because I work and I have some, not even that, but this is the reality. If you have a woman who has ever tested Utuotua, there is a way they will value Utuotua, even when they are poor, they don't have any money. This is the reality. That is why sometimes you people see some couples and you'll be like, what did this one look from this one? They are even poor, and the woman is beautiful. You are expecting the woman actually to leave. But the woman is not leaving. Let me tell you a secret. In most cases, is the way they taught to this woman in that room. That is why she's not leaving. That is why she's not going anywhere. And another thing, doing the woman the right way. If you are able to study her mind as you are, you study our mind as you taught to us. Study our mind. You know, when you see some women, when they're, even though they don't mourn, you can study their face. For example, and she does this, it means she's feeling pain. But you're taught her and she starts like this. Yes, baby. She replies that you are doing the right thing. You are doing it right. That is why a woman will go extra mile to bewitch another woman to leave a husband. So this one, it is 100% more than money. Then our point number two, words of encouragement and thanks. Give her that word of encouragement. I believe in you, baby. You can make it. You are a brave woman. You are perfect. Those are the words of encouragement. Even when she has lost all the interest in certain things, she will raise up and start from where she stops. Some of us, why we are not doing what we are doing the right way, it is because we don't have any person or anyone to give us that word of encouragement. When she has done something good which has made you happy, which has melted your heart, why don't you thank her? You can bring flower at the end of the day. I love flowers. So if you're watching me and you think, why I love flowers so much, it's one of my favorite gift when it comes to relationship thing. I love flowers. I don't know. I love flowers. And the same thing applies to my biological mom. She loves flowers. My mom loves flowers. I think the blood is now in me. So I love flowers. Give her that word of appreciation. You can bring something small to appreciate this woman. I know everything draws to the money at the end of the day, but there are some women, when you are giving them cash at hand, like you are giving them money, they want big amount of money. But in this case, you can just buy something for even $1, but she will see it as something very big. Are you guys seeing the point? Than just splashing money. Splash, you are not saving anything. Tomorrow you start coming. Please collect for me some money. I want to get a job, to start doing some job, to do businessman. Are you guys seeing the point? So to whatever, all those things, you have to plan in advance. And I tell you that if you want a woman to be like, not to love money, draw that boundary from the word go. Majority of men spoil women when the relationship is just the beginning. They make sure they go to the bank and borrow money to please women. After pleasing the woman, winning the heart of this woman, he stops splashing her with money. You already know how love language is money. So you can change someone from the beginning of the relationship. You tell her you don't have money. Hmm? So these are the things women love more than money. Then we are going to add bonus point, care. If you think respect, what we are talking about, care. When you look, you guys, comment down below. When you look at me, how do I look? Me, I take care of myself. So if a woman is able to look the way Jane is looking right now, this is the care we are talking about. If, for example, I have a man, I have a husband, all thanks goes to that man, including my family. So and so is keeping Jenny very well. Yet, in actual sense, me, I take care of myself. Are you guys seeing the point? Care. Let the woman look beautiful. Let the woman look good. Than just getting cash money and give it to her. Put some money on her hair. Let her look beautiful. I know you are going to say everything goes back. You are not giving to her directly, but you are injecting some kitty kidogo to make her what? I get these things. You know, when you make a woman get used to money, the relationship might fail. So these are the things women value so much. I value these things so much, unless for you started spoiling your woman with the $2,000, $10,000. I don't know why people get such amount of money to give a woman who's not your relative, someone whom you have not even married. You are giving a woman such a type of amount of money. Be serious. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you guys so much. Some of you go to that extent of paying school fees to a woman whom you have not even you are paying school fees. Be serious. May God bless you guys so much. Subscribe, leave a comment in the comment section. What do you think about today's video? Bye.